결국 to replay 괜찮다 믿으면 또다시 relay 내 맘속 깊은 곳 어딘가.
Hello there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast, back again. Nice to see you all. Right now, IKEA has a wave of new arrivals, so today I'm showing the ones you can't miss. I'll also share some great items I picked up. First up, these little artificial plants. I love how stylish the pots are. They come in a set of 3. There are succulents in there too, and they look surprisingly real. They're made of plastic, so they're so light. And since they're small, they're easy to style on a little wall shelf, and they have such a lovely modern feel. I keep going back and forth on buying them, and still haven't, but I might. Now this is a popular IKEA item, the RISATORP basket, and it just came out in red. It's such a bright, vivid red. The colors change pretty often, so I'd grab your favorite while you can. In Japan, other companies have put out lookalikes, and maybe because of that, the price has dropped quite a bit. It's quite different from what other countries pay, so it's honestly a great deal. There are lookalikes out there, but for color options, IKEA does have a lot. This popular utility cart also got a new color. And this one's red too. It's a more muted red. It said red-brown on the label. And get this, even the casters are red. You can feel the attention to detail. This is the larger size of the RÅSKOG utility cart, but of course, the smaller cart comes in red-brown too. There were already a lot of pastel colors this year, and now they've added even more color options. It's that popular cart everyone says is so handy. The IKEA utility cart has sturdy casters, so it feels really stable, and the casters lock, which is a nice feature. There's also a bamboo lid sold separately, and I'd recommend picking that up too. It lets you use it like a little rolling side table. My favorite side table also got a new color, a light greenish yellow, and it's incredibly handy. The height adjusts to 3 levels, so you can do a little laptop work on the sofa or use it in bed. It works at all kinds of heights, which is so convenient, and you can just grab it and take it wherever you need. So it's been so useful for me. I'm using the white one, but for some reason, white isn't around anymore. I really hope it comes back. Normally, I keep the smaller RÅSKOG cart nested down underneath this one. I tuck it inside like that, and it kind of turns the cart into a drawer. This box that everyone loves also got a new color, red. You can use it for remotes or stationery and all sorts of things, so it's handy, and the colors are always so pretty, which makes it popular. Orange was popular, and green was super popular too. It's the kind of lineup that keeps rotating out. This pop of red is so pretty too. Now, this is something I actually bought, a Bluetooth speaker. It comes in 3 sizes, and I got the smallest one in white. It has a stand like this, so you can also hang it on the wall. This colorful one is a collaboration with a colorist named Kettle, and it's so pretty too. Only this smallest size is actually designed to be portable. Being portable at this price is honestly such a great deal. To be honest, I didn't expect much, but people who bought it told me it's actually quite good, so I picked it up. Thank you all, as always, for sharing info with me. Usually these come with a printed assembly guide, but this one had a QR code that takes you to a web page instead. I wonder if IKEA is heading that way, going paperless. This speaker is the smallest size, and it probably weighs about 2 pounds or 1 kilograms. The back looks like this. Let me charge it before using it. It charges with USB Type-C. The sound it made when I plugged it in was kind of funny, so listen to this. It sounds like a little sigh, right? Almost like a human voice. There was an indicator on the top. It's glowing orange, so I think that probably means it's charging. It also came with a little jig for mountings. I think this is meant for installing it with screws. This time, I wanted to use a different hook. Can you see this? There's a little step here, so there isn't a flat spot. So rather than just hanging it on a hook, it takes a bit of a workaround. The hook I used was this one, and I only used the top part. This product has a thin, flat pin, so it's a flat needle. So the hole it leaves is hard to notice. It's easy to use, and you can reuse it many times, so it's a handy hook. That hook holds up to about 6.6 pounds or 3 kilograms, so I figured it'd be fine and gave it a try. It's hanging there nice and stable, no trouble at all. I showed the clock next to it last time, but this one's an IKEA clock too. It honestly puts out more sound than I expected. The Bluetooth on-off button is on the bottom, so until you get used to it, you end up fumbling around feeling for the switch. I set it up in the bathroom, and being able to listen to music while I do my makeup really lifts my mood. And honestly, I think the value for the price is great too. And I love that it doesn't really look like a speaker at first glance. Here's an example with all 3 sizes set up together. And these here are the different color versions. These adorable bags are new too. When I shared them on my stories, the response was huge. Everyone said how cute they were. If you look closely, the handle straps are different colors on each side. The smaller size came in a whale print too. The handle colors are different on this one as well, which is so charming. Next up is the frame section. There were new frames that come with a poster. It comes with a poster at this price, so it's a great deal. Also, just a heads up, it doesn't include the white mat insert, the frame-like part, so keep that in mind. And the cat is just so adorable. This one isn't an art frame, it's actually an art panel. It's printed onto something like a canvas. This is a slightly simpler set of 2 floral pieces. The flower on the right has a pretty bold, large pattern. The colors are muted and calm. And there was a big one like this, that's new too. These came in calm colored florals and leaf patterns. Some of you might think that buying art at IKEA means you'll match everyone else in the world, but actually, IKEA's art is seasonal, so it mostly gets swapped out.
I thought this one might be aimed at a Canadian audience, but it was set up too.
The pattern is black, so it gives a chic impression. Now, the one I thought was really lovely this time is this. It's a colorful, almost geometric pattern. I think it'd be adorable in a kid's room, so it really caught my interest. I wondered how you'd actually hang it, so I checked the back, and it's just a plain wooden frame. There's a set of 2 adhesive tape hooks that IKEA sells, and apparently you put one on each side to mount it. I did wonder if the hooks would hide nicely, so if anyone knows, please let me know. Now, this new room set was all finished, and it used a ton of the IKEA PS series. It was so pretty, I looked at a lot of it, and even within the PS collection, I kept thinking how lovely everything was. The art from earlier was propped up here, and these are Besto storage units lined up in a row. It's so pretty, isn't it, really? Maybe it's the pink wallpaper, but it all looked so lovely. What I found so helpful about this setup is the donut light on the wall and the speaker I mentioned a little earlier. Both of them have cords that just dangle down the wall. But when you put some greenery or a little sensor in front and arrange some small items, I realized the cables actually don't bother you much. It was kind of surprising. Anyway, since I'm here, let me show you a few of these room sets. It's a glass cabinet with a lovely pink pattern, and this lattice design is a print. You can display stylish dishware, and there's a way to run cords through for lights and such, so it'd be great as a plant shelf too. The shelves are clear glass as well. That blue mug is so cute too. Please stop making things this cute. It just makes me want to buy them. Putting a light inside, like with this one, is really lovely too. This is an open pine shelving unit. I think it works mainly as a display shelf, but by lining up boxes like the file box at the bottom or adding drawers, you can use it for a bit of storage too. I thought it was interesting how even random things you display on it still somehow look stylish. This is footage from an IKEA event where I styled it together with some other creators. Even placing things randomly turned out cute. This blue chair you can sit on from either side is also really well loved, and everyone says it's surprisingly comfy. Now, this cart here is bigger than you'd expect. I hope you can get a sense of it by comparing it to the things around it. There's quite a lot loaded on it right now, but it's remarkably stable. Even the casters are this blue color. And this folding chair is so pretty too. It's really light, which is its standout feature. It feels lighter than I expected. Since it's light, you can quickly pull it out or put it away whenever you need it, so it seems really easy to use. Okay, this is a monitor stand, and it just came out in orange. It's a monitor stand, but with its slim design and a built-in drawer, it's popular for using in the kitchen. Some people use it to hold accessories too. The orange is about the same shade as this new tag, though you probably can't tell from that. I think it's a pretty bold orange. This monitor stand only came in white and black for the longest time, right? Isn't this the first time it's come out in a new color? Here it is set up on a desk. It's much easier to see this way. The slim drawer is handy for small items, and you can tuck a keyboard into the gap underneath, or in the kitchen, a lot of people store trays in there. It's not an exaggeration to say it's my favorite thing at IKEA. There's a pegboard called SKÅDIS, and it got some new colors too. They're pretty dark shades, which is unusual, right? The label said dark gray blue and dark lilac red. It's designed so the color is different on the front and back. It has such a cool vibe. If you've built something like a walnut-toned closet, I think this would pair well, and this mirror goes so well with it too. The fasteners looked like a brownish color. It's a color combo that doesn't feel out of place on either side. It comes in different sizes too, this smallest one and a wider, larger size. SKÅDIS has so many accessories and it's so versatile. At home, I use it at my own desk and my kids' desk, hung on a cart and mounted on the closet door. It's honestly a product I love. There were some lovely cushions, and they're round. And they have a flower-like design, so they were really adorable. These are sold as cushions with the filling included. The back has the same design. This display had them placed on a square, very linear chair, so the round shape really stood out. They came in color options too. This one's turquoise, and it actually said, "You can machine wash them." There was one more type of cushion. This one has a button in the middle, so it gives a more classic impression than the last one. The trim is such a pretty design. Now we're at the kitchen section. There was a new series of pots with a really stylish design. This is a 5 liters pot, and it looks like this one's oven safe too. It comes with a lid, and the inside looks like this. It seems well coated, so you could probably saute in it too. And get this, 4 pots are joined together, sold as a set. Of course, they were sold individually too. People often ask me which IKEA pots I'd recommend, and basically, since they're not non-stick coated, if you like that non-stick, easy release feel, they're not the ones I'd recommend. But for people moving away from non-stick coating, I can recommend them. Honestly, they don't resist sticking the way non-stick does. I really hope the technology keeps improving. With these one-handed pots, they're usually not dishwasher safe, right? So this IKEA 365 Plus series is dishwasher safe, which is why I use it. It's simple with no coating at all, so I'd recommend it if you want to use the dishwasher. The ceiling clips came out in a new color. It's a blue tone. Such a pretty color combo. But the ones they sold before, and I think they still do, the set with red in it has quite a different number of sizes included, so please keep that in mind. I guess it's effectively a price increase since you get less. The most useful big size only gives you 8 now, which is a bit disappointing. For those of you who use the BEVARA clips, which size do you reach for most? I use the big ones way more than anything. They're also freezer safe. Anyway, I'll keep bringing you lots of cute new finds next time too. Thank you so much for watching to the end, and I'll see you again soon in the next video.